Hey guys, it's Annie, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a really exciting one which I've been wanting to do for a while, and it is how I organise my entire life, my Notion setup. And I've been really loving Notion lately. I've been using it for about 6 months, and yeah, it's really changed the game for me in organisation and productivity. So yeah, let's get right on with the video.
So this is my Notion, and yes, I'll just give you a quick little tour of all of the pages and stuff I have that help me be a more productive and organised person. So yeah, let's start. So this is the dashboard, and this is like the main page where I store all of the other pages that I have. And at the top I have this banner, which, if you didn't realise, is the same as my wallpaper, so I just thought I'd add that there as well so I can look at it. And I have this little dot, just I thought it'd be nice and minimal to have that as the icon for the main page. And then down the side here I have my favourites, which basically the pages I use the most. So my daily routine, workout schedule, content schedule, and then the 2 videos I'm working on at the moment, which I will go into more detail later. Now, I used to have this called dashboard, but then I changed it to Annie's Notion because I thought it was better. I have a quote here just to inspire me, and then here I have like 3 different sections which don't really mean anything. I just thought it nice to have some of them separated to make it more neat and easily accessible. So the first thing I have these nice aesthetic photos, which I did get from my Pinterest, which I will link down below for you guys to check out. And then the first bit I have is content creation. So I have my content schedule. I will probably cover these up because, yeah. So here I have the video that I'm filming at the moment. I'll change that to filming. And then I have all of these different statuses for the video or content that I'm creating. And then I have the date it will go up and the time. Then if it's published, the type, so like video, Instagram post, whatever. Then the URL, so once I've uploaded it, I will just put the link to it so that I can access it easily. Then the video number, like this is the 50th video on my channel. That's pretty exciting. And then sometimes I'll put the thumbnail, not all of the time, and don't normally get the chance to. Then I have the editing checklist. I don't really use this, but it's just there if I need to refer to it. So it's just all of the routine I would go through to edit my videos. And then I have the description. So for each of my YouTube videos, I will duplicate this page. So you can see it has so many backlinks of all of the videos that I've made. And so it has like a template for the descriptions, and then I'll go through and delete all of the videos that don't refer or link to the video that I'm uploading. So I only have the links to relevant videos. And the same goes for the supplies. I will delete all of the supplies that I did use in that video, and I will just keep the ones that I did end up using. Then sometimes I'll add some inspiration, like the links to anything, and then timestamps I will add. Sometimes I will add my Spotify playlist, and then yeah. And then at the beginning I will add like, hey guys, this video is about whatever. So I'll show you how I duplicated this. Okay. Oh, this is the YouTube page, by the way, which has video ideas, which I don't really use anymore. I used to use it quite a lot, but now I kind of store it somewhere else. Then I have the description, which I just showed you. Then I have the content daily tasks, so like what day I will film, what day I'll plan, whatever. Yeah, and then, so let's go back to the content schedule. And then on this, I will go and duplicate this. And I will call it description for Notion video or whatever. So let's just do that quickly, just to show you guys how description for Notion tour video. So then it will be like that, and then I will just do, hey guys, today's video is, and then I'll just go and do that, and then I'll put the links, and then I'll delete all of the videos that don't refer or link directly to the video that I'm uploading. I don't know if that makes any sense. But yeah, then I have the publishing checklist, which is loading. I don't really use them anymore. It's similar to the editing checklist. It's just like upload video to Google Drive, create thumbnail, add text to thumbnail, and stuff like that. So that's basically what that is. So then I have also, this is basically a database, and then I can change it to different views that I'd like to look at. So these are the past things I've uploaded. So I have Instagram posts and YouTube videos. So now moving on to, so we've done content creation section now. I'm going to go to my routines, which is another one I use quite a lot. So the one I'm using at the moment is my daily routine, which this might not make a lot of sense, but each day of the week I will have this there. So I have
So, hey, this is me editing this video. So I kind of realised this doesn't make a lot of sense. Basically, what I mean by this morning routine is basically, so I have show the amount of time that it takes to do each little task in my morning or evening routine through that number. And I just didn't want to add any times or anything because I thought it might get slightly confusing, maybe more stressful if I add the times, because if I like lose schedule and thing, then I tend to get like stressed or whatever. So that's just what that means. It sounds really confusing when I say it here, so I just thought I'd come in here when I'm editing it to let you guys know what that actually means. Yeah, also sorry if I'm kind of rambling along this video. It's kind of my first time filming one of these kind of videos, and I do really like making these. So do let me know if you enjoyed it. And sorry about the quality of the voice over and maybe the screen as well, because I'm trying this new screen recorder out, as I haven't really done a video, as I said, like this before.
This is food, which has the meal planner.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the quality of the sound. I know it kind of glitches a bit,
whole, I
but
don't use a
that's just me trying new things. So
then
yeah.
I have a link here to my Pinterest board for food, so I can just quickly click on the link and then go straight to my Pinterest board for food, which is quite quick and easy, and I do really like that. And I will have my Pinterest link down below if you'd like to check out these boards. Then I have workout and meditations. The workout schedule is probably my most used Notion page like ever, because yeah, I use it so often. So recently, let me mention this, I made a template for the page that I use, so I will link that down below.
So hey, once again, while I'm editing this video, I thought I'd just pop in again and say I did end up, after this video, making a template of my whole Notion homepage. So I would link that down below if you guys would like to check that out, as I'm really excited about it. And I'm sure you guys will love to be able to duplicate that into your own database if you do like what you see in this video. So I thought I'd pop in and say that, as I'm really excited about this template, and I hope you guys are as well.
Look at it easily. Then I have the date I'm doing it, which is the 11th, which was yesterday. Then I have the link to the YouTube thing, so I can just click the link and then it will go straight onto the video, so it's nice and quick and easy when I'm doing my workout. Yeah, so it's nice and easy. Then I have the time of day, because sometimes I'll do a workout in the morning and then yoga in the evening, for example, so I can just differentiate between the two so I can see. And then here, this is, I have another page for all of the workouts. So then I will create, I think this is called a relation. Then I create a relation and it will come from that page, which is the workout. And then for the week number, it is the second week of 2021. So in the filters, I will go on and add week number is number 2 of 2021. Otherwise, if I don't include them, then it will come up with all of the workouts that I've ever done. Not ever, obviously, ever since I started using Notion. And it will be kind of complicated, so I put the filter on so I can show only that week. So now I'm going to show you the workouts, which is basically the relation that I would use to add to my workout schedule for this week. I duplicated this and then I added filters so I can see what, I don't know how to explain this, but I can see, so I can see, say I'm doing a full body day, say it's like a Saturday, that's my full body day, and I will go on, put the full body one on, and I can choose between these workouts so I know then I'm going to do a full body workout that day, and it's easier to just filter. Then here I have the weekly workout split, which is basically kind of really straightforward. This is one of the most simple things. I just have Monday legs and booty, Tuesday abs and upper body, and then I did include this in the workout schedule template that I have for you guys, so then you can change it to whatever so you can always refer back to it. So there's the template here. It has like a playlist, and I can actually interact with it and scroll down and play a song. So it's quite cool. I can just play a song straight from Notion, and yeah, you can add whatever playlist you'd like on here. Yeah, so I did include a ton of photos as well, just to spice it up and make it more interesting. Then we go down into the second section, which I have this first bit called entertainment. So I wasn't sure what to title this, but I just went with entertainment. So I've got my reading directory, and I got this template. I think it was from Twirling Pages, and I will link all of the like templates I used down below, because they were very useful for me, especially when I was just starting out with Notion. I think I started back in July, and I mainly started off of templates, and because it seems very daunting to start with a complete blank database, so I did rely a lot on templates to help me out with that. And then, so here I have reading directory. I only just added this page to my Notion. So I've got to be read, like what I want to read, reading at the moment, and how many pages. I need to add that in for these two. If I own the book, so if I actually have it in my bookshelf, or I need to go out and buy it, or whatever, or borrow it from the library or whatever, then the picture of the cover, I only have that for one of them, as in anything else I use for that. Then I have the genre, so I can always have a look at that. Oh, I just got into patient. Okay. Then I have the date I started that book, and then the date I finished it. Then if I read it, and then the rating out of 10, so I can have a look at the books I've read if I ever want to reread any books. Yeah. Then my watch list, which is basically blank for me, but because I only just added it as well to my Notion. So I've got How I Met Your Mother, status, I don't know how to say that, watching, and then I can also have like, well, I haven't added it yet, but I'll have like to watch or like finished or whatever. So then here, this is quite cool. It's more like coding kind of thing, like a formula. So I've got seasons remaining. So I will input the total seasons of that series, which is 9, and then the current season, like the one I'm on. So I'm on season 4. Actually, I'm on season 5 now. That's pretty cool. Okay. So then it will automatically change it. I don't know if you saw that. It will automatically change the seasons remaining to this, because it will code, like it will minus the 5 of 9, so it can easily do that. And then links, I can't really put a link because it's for a Netflix show, and then I'll put Netflix, and then yeah. So this is pretty blank because I only recently added it. So that's quite a cool page. I don't really refer to these ones that much, but they're quite a fun thing to have there to keep up with all of the content I'm consuming myself. And then I have my wish list, which is just all of the stuff I like to buy, whatever. So I have Arch and Olive acrylic art pens, which I would really love to add to my collection, and let me know if I do buy them. If I should do some sort of stationery haul, because I think that would be pretty cool. So, and then I'll put the price, and then tags like stationery, art supplies, status, want to buy, sold out, bought, ready to buy. Yeah, so these are all want to buy. And then I've got a link to the product, so it will take me straight to the Arch and Olive acrylic art pen, which I think is pretty cool. Then I have why I want to buy them. This is kind of ridiculous, but mine's just like, they are cool, they will look so cute, whatever. And then where from, Arch and Olive, and then the other two are Amazon. Why do I keep zooming out? It's kind of really annoying. Then I have claw clips and whatever, so then it's quite useful for me to, if I'm, like, especially if my birthday is coming up or whatever, then if people ask me what I want, I can just refer to this. Now, so then I have a quote, this nice picture of coffee, which I think is pretty aesthetic. Then I have a law of attraction section, so then I have this page, which is pretty simple, it's just affirmations. And then here I have another Pinterest link straight to my affirmations board on Pinterest, which is pretty helpful, because then I can just sometimes just type some of them in or whatever. And yeah, then I go back and I have my journal prompts, which I don't use this that much, but if I ever lost on what to write, I can always just look here. I don't normally fill it in, as I'm not a huge fan of digital journaling, but it's nice to just have a look for prompts and then I can write it in my actual physical journal. So I have morning and night. I don't think I wrote these prompts out myself as well. I think I found them on another Notion template. So yeah, I'll try and link that down below if I can find it. Then I have my law of attraction board on Pinterest, which literally leads me straight to, which I think is pretty helpful. Then I have my reset routines, which I use my weekly reset quite often, like weekly, and then my monthly reset, not every month, but sometimes I will use it if I'm feeling like I really need a fresh start in that month. So my weekly reset, I think I got this idea from Michelle B. I think she was the one who kind of inspired me to start using Notion last year. So then I have Get Clear, YouTube or Instagram reset, life reset, school reset. I don't really, obviously school reset is kind of different because I'm on online school at the moment, so some of these won't apply. And obviously I won't do every single one of these every week. Sometimes I don't need to, but it's just nice and helpful for me to have templates so I kind of know what I'm doing. And yeah, my monthly reset, I don't think I've actually typed anything in this. I probably created it at the end of this month and then see how I go with that. So now moving on to the final part of this. So I have some more pictures that I really love from Pinterest, and then I have when you are, I wasn't really sure what to name this section, but yeah, here we go. So I have things to do when, and then I've got when you're feeling overwhelmed. I haven't actually referred to this that much, that's why it's kind of right at the bottom, but it's nice to just have it there. And yeah, it's always just nice to have pages there, even if we're not using them, as Notion is really great because it doesn't have any sort of like limit to the amount of data you can use, which I think is pretty cool. This is not sponsored, by the way, I forgot to mention, it's not sponsored at all, but Notion, if you're watching this, be sure you can definitely sponsor me one day if you'd like to. Then I've got my questions to ask myself when, and then I've just got when, I think I've got when you're prioritizing or something like that, and I have bullet points for the questions. It's not loading, so that's quite straightforward. We're just going to move on to the next thing. Then I have writing. So I have a novel, which I'm not going to show you, but I started writing like some sort of like short novel last year. I haven't really gone back to it as I was kind of busy with school. So I will try and come back to writing that someday. And I thought I'd put it in Notion because, I don't know, I thought it'll be quite a good database to store it in. And yeah, then I have this next thing is words, which I think is pretty cool. This is another new template that I haven't really explored that much or used. These are the two words that were already on here. It's not really loading. I don't know why. It's really bad today. Okay, so this words is I put the word there that I like, I like the sound of, or if I've learned any words quite helpful. Then here they are. They've appeared. Okay. I sound so old with my like technological issues, but I'm like not old at all. I'm like 13. Yeah. Okay. So I've got grammar, noun, adjective, verb, or adverb. Then I have the definition, obviously, of the word. That's kind of the whole point of this. And yeah, I thought it was quite a cool page to have, as I don't know why. I think I'm that kind of person that I just love words. Yeah, you can probably tell I'm kind of talking a lot in this video, but yeah, it's fine. Then last but not least, I'll probably blur that out because it says my school, but
so that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video from me about bullet journaling, art, or some sort of inspiration. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.